This is Barry, the study dog, getting ready to work out. If you don't work as hard as you can at the things that you love doing, it's going to be real apparent to the people who also love doing those things that you're not going to make it doing that thing. And then they're not going to want to give you jobs. So you got to show up ready to work your butt off in college. I promise you that the schoolwork is not the hard part. The hard part is making new friends, remembering to pay the rent, figuring out what you want to do with the rest of your life. Remember, life lasts a lot longer than school. You're almost done with school. Like, see, all you've done is school your whole life, but pretty soon, school will be like ancient history, and you will just be living, right? So, work super duper hard, and most importantly, do not go to college unless you know for a fact that you have enough money to pay for college. If you don't graduate from college, you're going to be in debt the rest of your life. Do not go to college unless you know that you have the funding secured via scholarships or financial aid or family help. You got to commit to finishing. In my city, there's a lot of people who go to college who are never, ever, ever going to make it, and that's super obvious, and that is like criminal. And the people telling them to go should be thrown in jail. Only go if you know you can pay for it. Because if you can't pay for it, you're going to be bumming hard, right? So how can you pay for it? Get some jobs, get some A's, and then get future school paid for, apply for useful scholarships, like that study abroad thing I mentioned. There are scholarships where they give you, the US government will give you a whole bunch of money if you go study a language that's super duper hard to learn in a country where life is super duper hard. There's scholarships for that kind of stuff. Show up ready to work your butt off, and things will go well. Anything short of that, and your life is going to be harder than it needs to be. It's actually easier to show up ready to work super hard. It's less stressful to get straight A's than to get half A's and half B's. Because when you're getting the B's, you're worried about bringing it up to an A or that it's going to slip to a C. The least stressful path through college is to cruise through with 95s in every class. That's the least stressful way to do it. It's the most efficient way to do it. And then you have the most mental and emotional and physical energy to go do all the other awesome stuff that they have at college, which is pretty much everything. College is super awesome. There's almost no schoolwork to do.